These are some more elevators at the Rego Center. Generic chime. What floor do you need? One.
I didn't know it was going up though. I thought it was going down.
You didn't even press it.
I did.
What happened?
What floor are you guys going to?
Going to Costco down.
This is Costco.
Yeah, but it's closed. It's not the one. Oh, yeah. I think the other one last night I got.
That's the signal button. Let's see if we can press the signal. Alright, you know what? Let me give you guys a copy before it gets busier. This elevator is very busy. Very high ceiling, stainless steel, not even a fake wood. Well, not really, though. Going up? Yeah, it's going up. Yeah, it's going up, it's going up. It's going up. Alright, where are you guys going? Where are you guys going? Century 21 or Kohl's? Because Kohl's is closed, though. Oh, well. Switch on? Yeah. Let's switch on third level, I believe. Alright. Let's switch on free. Come on. There's no machine room exactly though. If there is a machine room, then machine room should be on top of the roof. I'm gonna give you guys a view in just a minute. There's this one. That's generic chimes though. Oh. Let's look at this one. Alright, let me do another cab view for this one. Same old cab, no fake wood, not even a spray-on wood or something, sprayed on stainless steel. I'm not sure what brand this is, but it could be Transel. But don't let Charlie Gullivan think that this thing is a Schindler. Unless he's not around, so that's good. Let's blend it at 3. Oh, come on, you piece of crap. Street level accessible route. It smells good. Hate to say this thing has banjos. This has a signal button. Here we are at free. I'm going to give you guys a view in just a second. This one.
You're getting along.
And here's a view. You can see the World Trade Center tower right over there. Although you can't see it, it's on 4.0. I don't want to drop my camera down on this height. This is like a 3-story high or something. See here? There's the bus. There's the highway over there. There's PC Richer and Son. There's some like I'm not sure what building this is. It looks like a water or something. So with all that said, that's it.